there's a bird sitting on that horse's head, and he's trying to pull hair out of him. For like a nest. That's just crazy. I've never seen such a thing. He's looking for bugs, flies. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Have you ever seen such a thing? I mean, if you've got horses, and you probably have, but I don't have horses. These are my neighbors. And that bird is just convinced that that's where he wants to be. Like I said, he's picking hair. I've been watching him for a while. So I don't know what's going on. Take care.